एक जमाना था जब लोग कहते थे यार बड़ा बनना है, मेट्रो शिफ्ट हो जाओ, बट आज का सच इंडिया के टीयर 2 टाउन्स जो आपको कभी सिर्फ न्यूज के वेदर सेक्शन में ही दिखते थे, वही आज स्टार्टअप्स के कैपिटल बन रहे हैं। व्हाई? बिकॉज द फायर इन स्मॉल टाउन्स इज डिफरेंट। इट्स नॉट अबाउट फंडिंग, इट्स अबाउट फ्यूरी। This is not just about entrepreneurship. This is the silent storm brewing in India's small towns. Let's start with some stats. According to the NASSCOM report, Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities contribute more than 50% in the startup growth and acceleration. But why this is happening? Because the hunger in small towns hit different. There are no backup plans, no fancy incubators, no VC dinners. It's survival, it's jugaad, and it's genius. Let me prove it with stories. Real ones, real wolves. Jaipur, from pink city to pit city. Meet Rijo Jhunjhunwala, a traditional textile businessman turned into a D2C innovator. He saw how Jaipur tourists bought block printed bed sheets and launched iCraft India, now doing crores globally. Then there is Rajasthan Studio, founded by Karthik Gaggar in Jaipur, connecting global tourists with Indian artists. Now this is a Tier 2 idea scaling globally. Now in small towns, the culture becomes the commerce. Indore, clean city, sharp minds. Indore is not just about cleanliness anymore. It's now buzzing up with edtech and fintech startups. Meet Gyanodayas Institute alumni who launched the vernacular edtech app teaching stock market in Hindi and Bhojpuri. Just deep local insight. Tier 2 founders don't imitate Silicon Valley, but they decode Indian streets. Surat, the real hustle city. Surat is India's diamond capital, but it's also now a textile tech hotspot. Story of Ramesh Lalwani started with one power loom, now runs an AI-enabled fabric sourcing platform that helps global clients buy Indian fabric in bulk. He still doesn't speak fluent English, but his profit speak volumes. A quick truth bomb: you don't need a fluent English to build a big business. Now in this segment, we'll discuss the tools that is empowering the Tier 2 entrepreneurs. So what's fueling them? Instagram Reels for product marketing, WhatsApp for logistics, YouTube for tutorials, और ये तो आपको पता ही है, UPI for payments, ChatGPT for ideas and pitches. I'll tell you a fact: a Tier 2 kid can run an empire, a total big empire, from just a phone. This is India's digital dharma. No one is waiting for help, they are building anyways. Now let me tell you what makes Tier 2 entrepreneurs dangerous. They are humble but not helpless. They are silent but not soft. They have faced rejection but built actually what works. Now next time if you look on a Tier 2 guy pitching from a chai tapri, then remember, Flipkart started from a 2 BHK flat and Ola started from a garage. The next unicorn is not being built in Bangalore. It's been coded in Kanpur, manufactured in Meerut, and marketed from a rooftop in Bhopal. Welcome to the rise of small town shark. I am Zaid and this is the Wolf of Indian Street, signing off from the gullies where dream don't sleep.